Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to be making a Depression era cake, and I have a recipe for that. Let's get to it. Let's take a close look at this recipe. We got 1.5 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of cold water. So we got our dry ingredients on this side and our wet on this side. I tell you what, Cinnamon is just an amazing girl. She's already got my dry ingredients all in this bowl mixed up, and we got the wet in this bowl. And she got my pans. I got these little muffin pans or cake pans. It's got some oil in it. So I'm just going to pour on the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Now we're just going to mix this up. After we combine all the wet and dry ingredients really well, you can see we got us a good chocolatey batter. Then I think we can go on and pour it in our pans. We'll fill this up about halfway, because you don't want your cake to run over. About half. Now I'm going to bake these on 350 degrees for probably about 15 minutes. Now at home, if y'all do this recipe, if you have a larger pan, it's going to take longer than that. And it depends on what kind of pans you're using. So I'd say it's going to take about 35 minutes. But just follow any cake recipes, baking instructions. After 15 minutes, I checked the cake and it wasn't quite done yet. So I put in about 5 more minutes. So the cake in these little muffin pans will be around 20 minutes. Okay, let's see if they're done. Hey, I don't see any batter on them. So we flipped them over and they should just slide right on out. Yep. Always coat your pans properly with oil when you're baking cakes. Ooh. Okay. Let's try this Depression era cake. Am I going to be impressed? Ooh, looks so good though. Like, ooh, yeah. Or is it going to be? Is it going to be depressing? Like, all right, let's take a bite and see. It's it's so moist. See how it tastes. Interesting. I mean, very interesting. Like, I need to take a few more bites so I can give you a little bit more insight on this cake. I have never had this cake, or I ever baked this cake before till now, and I'm really impressed by it. I just want to eat more. I thought I would need um, some frosting or some chocolate syrup. I had it ready, but I don't need it. You don't. I don't need it. It's it's not overly sweet. It's just got the right sweetness. I mean, it's super moist. It's just super moist. It's not dry. You do not really need any frosting. You can make your own frosting or buy your own frosting, but you don't need any. It's got a little crunchy crust on the outside, just a little, but on the inside it's just super soft and moist. You don't need eggs, milk, or butter, and that's the mind-boggling. It's supposed to have vinegar. You don't even taste the vinegar in it. Y'all need to make this. This is super delicious. Thank y'all for joining me, and we'll see you next time.